Okay, everyone, we're at River Rock Casino. There's a new game here called Elephant Break. It's a treasure ball version, so there's all these treasure balls up here. I played the other version, the Gorilla Riches, earlier, and now we're going to play this one and see if we can't get a bonus on it. So $2.20 bet. Let's see if we can't trigger something. You know, $2 has been my little secret bet here. Come on, 10. Yes! Oh my God, guys. So we have 10 treasure balls, and we're betting, you know, decent money. So come on, give me a colored one. Go, yes. Yes, gold. Yeah, gold, silver, gold, yes. Oh boy. This could be big money, guys. Dollar. Come on, big bucks, no whammy. Come on, free games. Yes, love it. Yes. Come on, free games. 10 free games. So we're up to 8 free games, guys. That's good. And big bucks. All right, guys. You know, we're happy with whatever we get. So $20.57 plus we have 8 free games at $2.20 bet. All right, let's see what happens. This elephant looks like he's ready to rock here. Oh, it says to collect elephant heads here to, I don't know, we'll see what happens. Oh, there we go, elephants. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. We got 4 of them. All hippos will change to elephants. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Oh. Okay. Oh, yes. Ooh. 4 elephants, $5. Last game. All right, guys, $30.31. So this was Elephant Break. Let's play on a little bit and see if anything else happens. It was nice to see both bonuses. What a treat. So we got the random dragon feature that gave us those money balls. And then we got some free games. We'll play this down a little bit. See if we can't re-trigger something or that dragon randomly come out again, or 3 of these symbols for a natural free games. Oh yeah. Ooh, wow. 270. Ooh, elephant. Ooh. Oh, there's a loud, guys. $8.10. Well, they pay pretty well, so. Oh, dragon again. Come on. Give me a 10. Oh my God, guys. I wish for the 10 twice and we got it twice. All right. I'd like to have some of those blue ones or that silver one up there. Let's see. Or gold. Yes. Blue. Oh my God, guys. $3 better. Oh, wow, the mega, guys. $43.68 on the mega. Come on, free games. Oh my God, plus these guys give you, oh wow, that's great, guys. Oh my God. You guys were on a roll. Come on. Oh my God. Wow. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, we're up to, oh my God. I can't talk. We're up to $100 on this. We won the mega, we won the major, and we won a lot of free games. What's interesting is we'll start the free games with these elephants here. So that's going to give us a lot of wild characters on the board. So 6, 7, 8. We'll have 8 elephants in action for us. All right, let's see what happens here. The elephants are gonna fill in here. There we go. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, guys. That's how we're starting the game. Oh my God. We only need 3 more to get them all. Oh my God. This could be really huge, guys, if we get a bunch of elephants. Oh, like that. Just, oh my God, that's it. I don't know how much that is, a fortune. 144.10. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Elephant, 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 elephant. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We get 1 more, then these will be wild. I don't know how much that is. Another $18. We have 4 spins left. 1 more blue elephant. Oh, a multiplier. Can you imagine if we got a multiplier on that $144 one? Spin number 6 right here. Elephant, 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 elephant. Oh! $24. Oh my gosh, guys. Elephant. Last spin. All right. Guys, $291.42. I mean, wow. I've lost my breath here. $353.30 altogether on our 220 bet. I'd highly recommend these games. They seem, very volatile, very giving, and lots of fun, and they're beautiful. So everyone, have a great day, and good luck, and keep spinning and winning. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I really appreciate it. Have a great day.